Unit 2 Vector Calculus. Important results. Vector differential operator del is equal to I vector dou by dou x plus j vector dou by dou y plus k vector dou by dou z. Gradient of phi is called grade phi, which is equal to del phi is equal to I vector dou pi by dou x plus j vector dou pi by dou y plus k vector dou pi by dou z. Unit normal. The unit normal vector normal to the surface pi is n cap is equal to del phi divided by modulus of del phi. Directional derivative. The directional derivative of a scalar function phi in the direction a vector that is given is del phi dot a vector divided by modulus of a vector. Next, angle between two surfaces phi 1 and phi 2. Cos theta equal to del phi 1 dot del phi 2 divided by modulus of del phi 1 into modulus of del phi 2. Next, if two surfaces are orthogonal at a point P x comma y comma z, any point, then del phi 1 dot del phi 2 is equal to 0. Next, divergence of vector. Divergence of vector f vector is equal to del dot f vector. Next one, solenoidal vector. If f vector is said to be solenoidal vector, then del dot f vector is equal to 0. Next, curl of a vector. Curl f vector is equal to del cross f vector, which is equal to determinant first row I vector, j vector, k vector, second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, third row given vector f vector, that is f1, f2, f3. Next, irrotational vector. If f vector is said to be irrotational, then del cross f vector is equal to 0. Laplacian operator. Del square is equal to dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square. Next result, if r vector is equal to x I vector plus y j vector plus z k vector, then r is equal to modulus of r vector, which is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So r equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. Taking square on both sides, we get r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiating partially with respect to x, y and z respectively, then we get, so differentiating r square partially, we get 2r into dou r by dou x is equal to 2x. So therefore dou r by dou x is equal to x by r, getting 2 cancelled. So dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y equal to y by r, dou r by dou z equal to z by r. It's an important result for derivation. Next, vector integration. Some important formulas. Work done by a force. Work done is equal to integral a to b f vector dot dr vector, where dr vector equal to dx I vector plus dy j vector plus dz k vector. F vector is given in the problem. Then 3 standard theorems. Gauss divergence theorem. Gauss divergence theorem states that double integral over s f vector dot n cap ds is equal to triple integral over v del dot f vector dv, or divergence f vector dv. Next, Green's theorem in a plane. Integral over closed curve C, this notation is closed curve, integral over closed curve C p dx plus q dy is equal to double integral over r, double integral over r dou q by dou x minus dou q by dou y dx dy. Double integral over r dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dx dy. Next one, Stokes theorem. Stokes theorem states that integral over the closed curve C f vector dot dr vector is equal to double integral over S del cross f vector dot n cap ds. Del cross f vector or curl f vector dot n cap ds. So these three theorems are standard theorems and important one for applications of divergence theorem and Green's theorem and Stokes theorem.